With the 909, I didn't mean to just like scratch up my nose as soon as I clicked record, but my nose needed scratching. So what we're about to do is we're going to connect this domain that we bought in the other video, in the previous video. We're going to connect it to Shopify instead of Bluehost. How is this done? I don't know. We're going to learn this together. Let's do this. Connecting your Bluehost domain, not your provider. To connect your domain, you need to log into your Bluehost account and change your settings. Follow step by step, blah, blah, blah. Let's do this. Let's figure it out. Connecting a domain. It's always beautiful when I'm led to pages like this because for some reason, I do not have the ability to just read these things. So I'm going to skim through this and try and harvest the facts that matter. On this page, add an existing domain, set up your existing domain. This is what we're doing. You've purchased it through a third party, you need to change the DNS settings. Let's see if we can do this. Your A record should point to Shopify, blah, blah, blah. So we're going to go to domains.google.com. I'm going to full screen this so that it's easier to just swipe back and forth. So what we're going to look for is the DNS settings, the domain name server settings. We're going to look for the A record and make sure that it points to Shopify's IP address, which is 23.227.38.2. Copy. I don't know if they copied that. I'm going to highlight it and copy it myself. Control C. Fino's rainforest. It's cool because today is the 30th of September 2019. And there are 4 domains that belong to me, which means absolutely nothing, but it's still kind of cool because it's like I used to have DNS. Let's look for settings. We're going to want to change this, the C name server. We're looking for settings. We're looking for the IP address. IPv4. Registered host. Register public hosts on your domain by IP address so they can be found without first resolving your domain in the DNS. Entries here are commonly called glue records and are needed in domains. No. Restore the Google domain names. No. Custom records. Okay, so we're going to start with what we can do. Your CNAME record should point to shops.myshopify.com. Copy. Hold on. They have steps. Always important to follow. It's always important to follow the steps, huh? Log into the account you have with your main domain provider. Find the DNS settings. Look for your main domain management area, DNS configuration, or whatever. Edit your A record to point to Shopify's IP address. The A record. A. No. We want this. Copy. Down. I'm so hungry right now, but I'm incredibly grateful that there's food to eat. Resource record should. I'm gonna call this the A record because I don't know why, but we'll add this. That has been added. Then we're going to go to CNAME, domain name. So it's possible you feel this also, but I feel like we're doing this incorrectly. Enter or choose the @ symbol or a record. Okay. Enter Shopify's IP address. Copy as the destination for the a record. Save the a record. Oh, we're doing it correctly. That's good. Find the CNAME in your CNAME record in your DNS settings. Change your www name to shops.myshopify.com. Often you need to provide just the prefix without the dot. But for some domain providers need the whole subdomain. Use the existing entries as a guide or follow your provided instructions. Okay, so CNAME is here, domain name right there. Add. www, I think. Change your www. What they say to do about the @ symbol. Enter or choose the @ symbol or a record. Okay. Find the CNAME. Learn more. Resource records. Domain. Use my silence while I figure this out. Let's go back. It says, please note that the records you configure in Google Domains only work when you are using the Google name servers. If you are using custom name servers, a message will appear at the top of the DNS section, and you should configure your resource records and wildcard records with your DNS provider. What we're going to do is restore the Google Domains name servers. Here we are. That has been restored. So now I feel like something here can help us, but I'm not sure. So let's try this again. Nope. There's something missing. Change your www name record to point to that. shops.myshopify.com. Often, you need to provide just the prefix without the dot. www. Okay. So we've completed these. There's like 2 steps stretched out into 4. The first one was to enter the Shopify IP address, which required, so it was just 2 steps. You log in, all that stuff. Copy the IP address. Step 2, well, you copy the IP address and save it. Step 2, you find the CNAME, change the CNAME, save it. We've saved both. Now you need to verify your connection to Shopify. It might take up to 48 hours. Yes. Click verify connection in Shopify. admin. Take me there. Shopify, wait. Domains. Home. Add domain. View domain settings. My stomach is aggressively reminding me that as a human being, it's important to consume food and nutrients and all that shit. But I'm just trying to set this up. That page that it took me to was probably the page I wanted to be at. Let's go back. Go back. Let's go back one more time. Let's go back again. Let's go back to that original thing. Connecting a domain. Verify connection. Log in. Enter the domain you want to connect. Shopify Rainforest. Next. Oh, we're no longer on Bluehost. So now we are on Google Domains. We're going to do this in a separate video. Have you watched this whole video? Thank you. We just learned.